welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, the new start my series on YouTube. I want to I want to start podcast. Name the podcast is Talk with Me. Okay, today because the video was taken after 4 days Idul Fitri celebration, I want to say Minal Aizin wal Faizin from for my Muslim friends and happy Eid Mubarak and happy Homecoming. For friends are going home, I remind you to be careful on the road, focus and stay healthy. Okay, the research person in the podcast today is Rizkia. She is my friend, and then I will give you a fun fact about us. First of all, we were friends who have been in touch since student orientation. We were close and become table friends. But when the holiday season arrived, we don't contact each other. I don't know why. When we contact one of us, we always think, it's college work again. It feels like every time we contact during the holiday, I will disrupt in the holiday with the topic of lecture. Before that, I want to say hello to Rizkia. Hello Rizkia, how are you?
Hello Nita, I'm feel good today. So before we start the podcast, thank you for your invitation to coming on your podcast. So how are you, Nita?
I'm good. Thank you. Before that, I want to know how your celebration Idul Fitri.
So Nita, I will tell you about some of the things I can do to prepare for Idul Fitri. Idul Fitri is a special holiday that marks the end of Ramadan, the month-long period of fasting for Muslims. It is a time for family, friends, and celebration. There are many things I do to prepare for it. First, I start by cleaning my house. This is traditional way to prepare for the holidays and symbolize new beginnings. On the day before Eid, I prepare food and souvenir for the family. It is a time of fasting, so be sure make to family my favorite dish. My parents give to the family they love as appreciation, such as THR. Apart from preparing the house and food, I took time to reflect on the past month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a time for spiritual growth and reflection. I think about the things I have learned and how I can continue to grow as a Muslim. Idul Fitri is a special time for Muslims all over the world. It is a time to celebrate with family. And on holidays, time seems short because for me on holidays, I just wear new clothes, go to visit, shake hands, then sleep. Are you the same as me, Nit?
That's right. It's the same with me. I feel like holiday Idul Fitri is just a short celebration. We wear new clothes, pray, shake hands, eat, and go sleep. Why is like a short moment celebration?
I think we have grown up. In the past Idul Fitri, we were very hectic by buying new clothes at the night. We couldn't sleep because we want to wear new clothes before we competed to look good in front of the family with the new clothes. But now we start help with preparation, start cooking and apologize to all our family and friends.
That's true. I feel same with me. I feel that some way, but because I live in the to my grandmother's house, grandmother house. My family are far away to my village. I've never experienced to homecoming. Have you ever gone home?
Yes, of course, it's the same as you. I never go home because my parents come from the same city, but the rest of my family will go home to my house.
Which city is your family going home from?
Bandung City, you know?
Yeah, I know. From they must be comparing your environment and the environment where they live, our life. How is the city according to the stories you heard from your family?
From what I heard, Bandung is a very beautiful city. In every corner of the city, they can always take photos using their digital cameras with very beautiful view of the city. There, they can also shop anytime. There's a lot of shopping place, unlike in Garut, which only has a few shopping place or malls. But they don't know. But they know even though Garut is a district, it has lots of tourist attraction that can be visited. And of course, most of them live in cities without experiencing the true meanings of home. Is that right, Snit?
Yeah, that's right. I agree with you. Even though we live in the district, we are superior in the tourism sector. My family is the same with you. Even though they have lived in another city for the decades, but they always feel like I want to go home.
Yeah, because I feel like this time spent as a child and as an adult is different. Childhood was really fun. We played with lots of friends until late night. When we grow up, we moved to the city and people just work and filled their days with those activities.
Yeah, that's right. I also agree with you. When we grow up, we start to think about ourselves. I do too. Fun fact again, even though we will graduate next year, but we've been stressed thinking about work science the fourth semester. Do you remember our conversation that time when we talked about work and the competition?
Yes, I remember. We used to discuss our dream jobs. Do you still dream of working abroad?
Yes, I still dream about it. I remember want to be work in Switzerland and study abroad in Harvard University. And the time I said to Switzerland is a dream city because there were a lot of advantages and the city is very beautiful with the natural condition of course, life there will be very good if we can be survived there. And yeah, Harvard is my dream campus because many great people was born there. Yeah. Do you have? We're going to continue our study of Harvard. Even though we discuss in many city, I've never known what your dream job, and would you like to answer that?
My dream cities are Mecca and Medina. I really want to visit that city. There were many prayers that were immediately, and of course many miracles happened there. Regarding my job, I want to work as a businessman, like having several products of my own designs, whether it's a food or clothing business, because I really like jobs.
That's so that your dream job. What I want to I want to question you. What your plan to do to achieve all that?
one of my plans to achieve all of this is, by praying, of course, accompanied by effort. After graduation, maybe I will immediately try to become a small business by selling several clothing products, such as hijabs and women is clothes. Then later I will develop my business even bigger. Moreover, the world is a very sophisticated. We can promote products with technology in the form of cell phones, laptops, and other sophisticated technology.
That your plan is good and very intelligent. But the last question I want to question about: do you have vacation on or holiday in the long time moment Idul Fitri celebration?
For me, in holiday celebrity. For me, in holiday Idul Fitri, I don't to visit everywhere because, I'm sick in holidays.
Do you sick? Why you sick?
I don't know. Maybe I think I'm very tired of study. Yeah, so study is very very tired every day.
Yeah, I feel like you. But do you have going to doctor?
Yeah, but now in the Idul Fitri moments, I go to the doctor. Is an date of 12th of April. Yeah.
And the last question I want to question about how or how to plan in the middle exam in the semester.
I don't know because I not prepared to the final exam. And how about you?
Yeah, same with you. I never prepared on the final exam, but the exam is open book right now, and I prepared to the notes, completed the notes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rizkia, for coming to my YouTube channel. I I say you are always good listener and good speakers.
And same as you.
Okay, to to for the last session, I will to close the podcast to say thank you for all the viewers to watch podcast my podcast. Thank you everyone. Don't like. uh, don't remind to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Thank you, Nita.
Thank you, Rizkia.